How-to with Annie Bennett. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a motivational post for your Instagram with Canva on your mobile phone. So let's do it together. We're going to access to Canva with the Google Chrome on our mobile phone. So click open. You will see Instagram post. So click open Instagram post. And you will see all the lovely templates here. But today we're going to do this one. Click on this one. And as you see, this Canva is mean that the picture is not free, but we're not going to use this picture anyway, because usually sometimes we can use our own picture in a motivational post as well, because it's your social media, right? So what we're going to do, click on this image and click on the bin here. And then delete image. So don't delete the grid, but I'm going to show you if I delete the grid, what's going to happen. You see, everything will be disappear. So we can bring it back on this one. Okay. And click on this image again. So now I'm going to click on the bin, but this time I'm going to delete the image. Okay. So we're just going to remove the image here. There you go. Now, and I'm going to put my own image in here. To do that, click on this plus button here and then click on upload. If you don't have any of your picture, you can click upload here, okay? But I'm going to choose this one, okay? And just use your finger to move it around and you will see here, it will just fit perfect. Double click, you can double click and then you come highlight like this and then you can move around where you want it to be, okay? So I'm going to go like that. So now I'm going to put the text that I want to be in here. I'm going to get my text that I wanted to put in there. So I'm going to use this one, copy. I'm going to double click on this one and I'm going to paste my text in there. Okay, you can make the text bigger, rearrange it like that. And here, and definitely this is not my font, so I'm going to change the font here. Okay, so my font, it will be this one. Now you can see we can move like this. Okay, change here to put my name because it's my picture. Okay, now it's time to change. As you see, green color is not my brand color again. So the first, we're going to change the text. So we're going to slide this and click on this one. And I'm going to choose my brand color F9, F5, F2. And this one, the top one as well, we're going to change it. And my color will be there. And of course, the green here. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Now, so now we have fresh, clean, clear Instagram post, motivational post that you can put on your Instagram. Okay, again, remember the last video that I showed you, we need to download to our mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, click on this home button. And the next step, leave here and go to Canva application on your mobile phone. Here. You can see here the design. And you see the top, the first one here. Open. Dun, dun, dun. Now you have amazing and lovely motivational quote that you can put on your Instagram. Nice, free, nice, clean, fresh, and classic. Okay, and the next step, click on here to save into your mobile phone. Okay, and now we're going to check our work. Okay, click on the photo here. here. Wonderful, right? So amazing.
How was it, everyone? I hope this video will be useful for you, and I hope that you will be able to learn new skill or new technique from me. And if you like my video, please don't forget to click like, share, and if you want to show me your work, you can comment below. I would love to see your work, and I'll see you next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ